you finish your recordings, it automatically saves in your Google Drive in a folder called Me Recordings. I added my little logo, but if I go in here, you can see these are all of the ones that I've got. Red is video, blue is text. So if you have the kids sign in, like my welcome screen said, please drop your name in the chat, so I knew who was here. It will capture. So let me go back here to one of my first ones. It captures who signs in to chat. Here's another one. My entire chat from my training that I did earlier in the week. That way you require the kids to sign in on the chat. It's live, and then you could also have them be like, all right, sign out or answer a question. Ask them a question in the middle of the session and say, everybody needs to answer. And that's a way to make sure the kids didn't just turn it on and walk away and they're not paying attention. And it records it and puts it in there. So then all of these are recordings that I can pull up. So like here's one that I did previously, and I can share this out.